We are going to Mitchell's Fish Market with the bus ministry and a Sunday school ministry with our church. So I'll bring y'all along a little bit.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
Everything was so good, so now I want to go home and I want to get in front of the TV and take a nap. We are out and about running errands, shopping, and returning stuff. Hey guys, it is Tuesday afternoon, so I am taking a break from working, eating my salad, and I am watching Dog's Kitchen. Y'all go and check him out. Oh my goodness. And y'all know I love burgers, and he is making cheeseburger stuffed with cheese. It says how to make the best mushroom stuffed cheeseburger in 2019. Y'all check him out. He's making me hungry for a burger. This is so good. So we are just pulling up to the barbecue place, it's Midwest Barbecue, and we're going out with the deacons and trustees, and I'll try to show y'all what we're having, a little bit of the fellowship. But we came here last year and it was so good. So we are gonna enjoy. So we're sitting here waiting. It's a big group of us, and they're usually closed on today, but they opened it up for our outing. So I'm excited. We're sitting here waiting till they open the doors. We're very excited. So good. Oh, but I ain't gonna say nothing.
Cut the tape. Cut the tape.
She got hers. That was quick. You reordered them that same day?
On Sunday, sure did.
Okay. Her got her skates. They was a whole size too big, so she had to exchange them. She ordered them in the size that she wears, but they run big. So those look kind of big too.
Uh-oh.
Did you check the size?
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's size 8.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm glad you got your shoes. Now I'm waiting for my pack.
Oh. Oh no, these feel a little big.
Oh boy. Do they feel better than the other ones?
They too big.
They are. They're a whole size smaller.
I know. These too big.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
This gonna be tired of me.
So she says they do fit better since she laced them up, and she got to put on another pair of socks too. Cool.
Skate.
Now if you fall.
Bounce.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Roll. Bounce.
Oh, don't bounce down them stairs.
Roll.
What you say? So I'm up Saturday morning, you all, baking. Jalen asked for a strawberry cake, so I'm doing that. And then I will also be doing another cake when I get this one in the oven. So I'll show y'all what that is too. Yeah, I just whipped up a pound cake. And we're doing, it's appreciation time also for our pastor and his family. And so we give gifts at Christmas time for them. So I'm just giving the family a cake, and one of his sons especially likes my cakes because he's not a cake eater, but he tasted my cake and he liked it. So I was so honored. That made me feel so good. He likes my cake, so I am making the cake that he likes and sending it as part of the gift to the family. My husband was like, "You making that cake for him, ain't you?" I said, "Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Whipping it up this morning." So pound cake in the oven and to be delivered tomorrow at church. And here is the cake, you all. It's all finished and packaged up. It is a caramel glazed pound cake. Or I say caramel. It's a caramel glazed pound cake. And it came out all marbly and everything on the top. Looks really good. So that's that one. And then the one for that Jalen requested while she was home, the strawberry one. I made it, of course, but I did not ice it yet. So I'm going to ice it on Monday. So I put the layers in the refrigerator, and they're going to be iced on Monday, and she'll have her cake. And, of course, Isaiah will have it too, but Jalen really, really wanted it while she was home. So, but yeah, it came out really, really good. I am pleased. So I hope they like it. I hope they like it.